Right, hello guys, it's the EdShed, and today it's a really lovely day, but it means I've got to move some cars around. I don't want to get wet because I need to move loads around because the roof leaks up in the shed. So the plan is to open this shed and you will see some cars, which some of you will recognise, some of you might not. But obviously I need to make space. The only way I'm going to do that is to take one of my cars that I've had for a very long time. Very long time. Okay, so basically the plan, like many plans, is to have the cars home by Christmas. You all know this one. You've all seen this one. And this one's developed a few issues. The water pump has developed a leak from the main shaft. Now, obviously, I made that water pump up out of another water pump, but I've decided that I'd just buy one, so I bought one. And then I find I haven't got the pulleys. Well, I've got to make the pulleys. So, just a minute. Got a bit of sort of water leaky fluid. I mean, I think, guys, it may have a water leak, but anyway, this one has got a water leak. Yeah, there's definitely water coming out. We are going to have a few issues. We're going to have to do some repairs. I don't want to, but we're going to have to. How many years is it? 61. It was bodged. Oh, God. Yeah, right, okay. All right, look, don't go there. I went there once. I got away with it. So, this is going to come out and come outside so I can get this down. Now, I'm going to say, if you like and subscribe and follow me about, clicking that little button, pressing the alarm button, pressing the alerts and all that, it'd be a real great help to get me promoted by YouTube's algorithms, which some people don't exist, and then you will see more content, because we really are content full. In fact, our computer is actually full of content. Our computer is so full of content, there's no content left. It's like a content bar. And we need to load some of this stuff. But there's not a lot of point in uploading if nobody watches it. Or my hardcore supporters of like 60 people. So anyway, we won't go down the road. What we're going to say is, stop me there, waffling too much. We're going to move some cars. You'll see some stuff you haven't seen coming there and there and everywhere. Well guys, I managed to move one car. Car transport, battery after all that miles flat. So, it's so hot, I've retired to the floor. I decided I'd have a picnic if I had any food. But yeah, this is my OnlyFans page, by the way. Yeah, look, I'm going to move all this next. Now, I'm going to stand up because I'm going to show you. Because I can't get it down yet because everything's holding us up. I mean, I am having such a hard time with things. So, basically, in here is one of my favourite cars. My second favourite car in the world. I've had this car for 44 years, I think, and I love her. I love her. I know you said that. Oh, I know it was anyway. I'm on. Anyway, she's absolutely gorgeous. She was an MOT failure when I bought her 44 years ago, and every year she went through her MOT until I abolished the MOTs, and now I had it. I painted it. Yeah, bit of a problem with the paintwork. We got the 096 paint code. We painted inside the doors with the 096 paint code. And I think the eagle-eyed viewers will spot that the paint, well, I didn't actually paint this when Joe painted it, but when he started painting it, it was the wrong shade. So unfortunately, it isn't actually the right colour. Now, it grows on me, but when you open the bonnet, it's blatantly obvious it's the wrong colour. So I'm not going to do anything about it. In this lifetime, what's the point? So, plan is to try and get it down. Now this lift was put up years ago, and that car could well be stuck up there. I'm a little worried about that. Anyway, but we've got to move Martin, we've got to move the chair, I've got to move the rugs, because obviously they like their rugs, the E-types, they love rugs, just to catch the dust. But yeah, oh, and I was just going to draw attention to my old master. There he is. Every garage should have an old master in it, and mine's no exception. So, I don't know, she's looking a bit peaky, to be honest. Yeah. I think it's to do with bad storage. She's getting a few wavy lines in her. I don't know what she is really. It's a shame, probably it's the way it's been stored, but it is an oil painting. If anyone out there knows what it is, who knows the subject, please put it in the comments. If it's worth millions, please tell me, and I can stop doing this. If it's not worth a carrot, I'll leave it where it is. Chinese car cover is going to be coming to use, because we've got to cover some cars up outside now by the look of it. But yeah, we are sort of getting there. I know I'm looking around, I'm a bit overawed, that's why I was on the floor, because I don't know, I'm supposed to be moving this. I mean, look at this. How can I move this on my own? I'm just a man. I mean, it's just, this is not fair. It's too, hey Christ, a lot going on there. That's not good. That's a shame. I thought for a minute, that's all poor, shouldn't it? Oh, God. Right, okay, I'm going to go down the road. Oh, anyway, so, hopefully when you see me next, I'll either be in RUH, on life support, or I will have achieved my goal, which is to get like that down and the red E-type on there. So let's try it. Let's try it like they do on the TV. Ready? So that down, this down, and I'm here again. Now, oh God, I'm getting really tired. I've got it up, and this is British made. British made. Hence, it still works. Look. Not made in China. So the locks are out. I'm going to see if it comes down. It's crying! Stop a minute. Get worried now. I think I'm going to have to get a Scotch pad and just give that ram a clean, because that ram's got rust in it on the top, and if the rust gets into the seal, it's going to destroy the main seal. So I'm going to have to stop it there, guys, and say I'm in a dangerous predicament because I'm not on the logs. Right. Going to go out, going to get a Scotch pad and some oil, and I'm going to clean that ram, and I'm going to have a safety truck here just in case. Right, so I've got my safeties in. Okay, so I'll come back to you in a minute when we're ready. Right, as you can see there, lights off. As you can see there, I have cleaned off this, polish it all back up in a hope that I can stop my ram leaking, which it is not doing at the moment, because that's what's running down off the ram. Anyway, so I've given it a clean up with anything I can find, and hopefully we'll see. We know she goes up. Let's see if she comes down. Oh no! You know why would she come down? Land on the safety lock.
By the way.
Oh God, yeah. Right. Okay, guys. Squeaks. I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. That's the mouse that's caught inside it, howling to be let out. Well, she's coming down, so that is a good sign. I'm hot, I'm bothered, but she's coming down. Whoa, anticlimax. Now, was that good or was that good? From the point of view of the people who are actually watching, then never let your ram down without checking that your ram is not covered in rust. That way, oh, there's cat footprints. Where the hell did that cat get out there? Well, we're gonna give you a quick tour. Now, as I say, I've had this 44 years. I've restored it a couple of times, and there we go. There she is. She is 150 brake horsepower. She's, I don't know how you English say it, she's a beaut. But she's got issues with that thing in the fuel tank. So I've got a new fuel tank, but it wants a good, tidy up, a good clean. But I would like to drive this. I'm going to drive this. I'm going to say to people, this is going to be my new daily driver, as they say. This is going to replace the scimitar. Civita's going on to greater things with Lee. He's going to have the Civita. That's the theory. Get a cat foot, but it's not on the inside. Anyway, so we're going to say something here now. Let's see what happens. I don't know. How many years have you been up on that ramp? Ain't it? Here we go. That'd be remarkable if that battery's up. A bit disconnected all these years, so it could be a good battery. We'll have a look. We'll get inside. We'll get the mouse house out. We'll turn the ignition, and it's what it can only be said is dead as a dodo. And we're talking a real life dodo. One that's like on the Liverpool building, one of them dodos. So, it's a dodo. So our older, advanced, looks like it's, yeah, that's a log. So we'll need a battery. We're going to need some enthusiasm. We're going to need alcohol. We're going to need or we're going to need the truck to winch it off. And I think the truck winching it off is probably the best answer. Now, for the benefit of my South American viewers, they'll remember this car well, because they've been out of it. They've been all over Europe. They have been to Paris, been on the Champs-Élysées in it. Need some oil on them hood brackets. On the hood frame. But come on, listen, how long has it been out there? 5 years, 6 years? Anyway, so yeah, Lou, this is the car. This is the one. This is the door that you remember, that poor bloke's car. You won't mention that. Anyway, so yeah, it's down and I'm going to get out. And the next time hopefully you see it, it'll be on the back of the truck, moving. So, I'm going to stop it there and say, just remember, I do love this car. I'll see you soon. The roar of the thirsty, high revving two-stroke motor there. We got it. So it does work. So I can get the red one, let the red one straight in, and then hopefully I'll just do a switch. That makes sense? See you soon. Hello. Fancy seeing you lot again. Well, as you can see, the E-Type is now on the ramp, and that means the E-Type has been moved. Now, we didn't try to start it because I'm just too tired. But we got it down here. And we managed to get it off the truck onto the ramp. Same height, really good. Apart from that pile of wood that needs to be chopped up. She's on there. So, the TR6 has moved next door. And the Alpine is outside. So, we've got another little quick blitz. It will blitz to move, I don't know, find it. Is it not that shed? No, he wants to. Oh, you see the grown man cry. Move that. See that hiding over there? That's got to come out. That's for sale. That needs a new proud owner. I don't know who, but it does need one. They all do actually. About 50 of them. But anyway, well, we're going to say we've done something. We've moved this, and it's covered in grit. Honestly, it really is. It's destroying of your soul, guys. No idea. I actually was going to have a look under the bonnet because I think the battery tries to watch. Look at it under there. Isn't that beautiful? She's all ready to go. She's all ready to go. Raring she is. Raring. But guess what? She's not going. I don't know. Look at that. That one comes. Whoa, whoa. They actually ran the wrong way. They should be bang going. That one should be here, and that one should be there. And then you bang bridge across with a pipe, and then exit. I think. I don't know. Anyway, I think they look great. I think it was great. I think it's absolutely lovely. I can't wait to get it running again. Soon, guys, soon. Can't look. Rome wasn't built in a day. So, in fact, I don't know, but where's Romulus and Remus when we need them to help out and cut the walls? Anyway, so gonna shop it there, guys. I'm gonna shop it there, guys, and say this does run, or it did run. It runs really good. I don't do that. It's all the mother themselves, but it's the fuel tank's full of the E10. Soul destroying. But anyway, we will come back to this soon, won't we? When we get ready, we'll come back to this. So, going to say, you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for liking. Click that button if you enjoyed it, watch it and all that rubbish. We'll see you soon. Bye.